Hello students, so in the last class we have discussed on the electricity chapter, that is resistors when connected in series and the resistor when connected in parallel. So in today's class we will be discussing heating effect of electric current. That means you might have observed the devices like fan, refrigerator, in all those things you have observed that there is some sort of heat will be produced. That is, when electricity is passed through those devices, the electrical energy has been converting into the heating energy, as well as some amount of light energy will also be produced. Now, based on the effects of electric current, there are three categories. So first one is heating effect of electric current, second is magnetic effect of electric current, and the third one is chemical effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current, that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Magnetic effect of electric current will be discussing in the next class, that is in the next chapter. That is the one whole chapter will be based on the magnetic effect of electric current, and the next one is chemical effect of electric current. Where you will observe these things means heating effect of electric current will be used in electric heater. When you will be observing this application in electric heater, magnetic effect of electric current will be observed in electric motors, and the chemical effect of electric current will be observed in electroplating. In electroplating, deposition of electrons, in those concepts you will be observing the chemical effect of electric current. Now in this class we will be discussing heating effect of electric current. As I have already said, heating effect of electric current means there is a conversion of heating effect is nothing but conversion of electrical energy. So electrical energy will be converting into electrical energy converted to heat energy as well as light energy. So electrical energy will be converting into heat energy as well as along with that it will be converted as the light energy here. So now what is the proper definition of heating effect of electric current is? So when a metallic conductor is heated up due to the flow of current is called as heating. So when a metallic conductor is heated up due to the flow of current is called as heating effect of electric current. That means when we consider a conductor, let me just take a conductor as an example here. So if I take a conductor here, so in that conductor, when V potential difference is applied to this conductor, the current will flows, the direction of current we are going to say from positive to the negative here, but actually what happens, the electrons will be moving opposite to the direction of current. You know that when the electrons are moving opposite to the direction of current, there is an opposition offered by the conductor. That is, you know that resistance, the concept of resistance is nothing but the opposition offered by the conductor for the flow of electrons. When these electrons are moving, they have to overcome the opposition which was offered by the conductor. When these electrons were opposing for that flow of conductor, in that cases there is a loss of energy. This is very important. That means the electrons will lose energy. So electrons will lose energy when it is overcoming the opposition from the conductor. When electrons are losing its energy, this loss of energy has been converting into the heat energy. I think now you have got the point that how heat energy will be produced when the electricity is passed. When electricity is passed, as you know, this is the direction of current. The electron should overcome this opposition which was offered by the conductor. when electron is overcoming the opposition offered by the conductor, it has to lose some energy. That loss of energy will be converting into the heat energy. This is how in the device the heat effect. When you observe the certain devices, there is a convert. Not only the electrical energy will be converting into light energy, even it is going to convert into the heat energy. Because due to the loss of energy by the electrons, to overcome the opposition, the heat energy will be generated. So next, importantly, factors on which heating effect of depends upon. Now I have supplied a voltage and current will be passed through it. Now what can I write for the current? So current is equals to, you know, the charge by time taken, isn't it? Charge means how much amount of charge flows in a given time is called as current here. So here I can simplify this expression as Q is equals to I into T. Okay, let me take it as equation number 1. Okay, I have taken the current in terms of the charge. Now if potential